Great Value microwave popcorn versus Popsmith. Ooh, smells good. Heat your Popsmith over medium heat. Check. Ignore the brand. Add the contents of this kit. Check. Close the lid and turn the handle. Oh, I'm being a rebel. I didn't close the lid. Okay, there we go. Oh, it's really going now. Oh boy, I can't turn it anymore. But look at that. Add some mixins. Not gonna do that. Put it in a bowl and eat. Definitely gonna do that. Oh my, I don't think there's any unpopped kernels in there. Great Value. I already know how this tastes. This is what we get all the time because it's cheap. I mean, come on. That is pretty good popcorn. This Popsmith popcorn made like way more than I was expecting. Check out how yellow this is. Oh, it looks kind of like a baby koala bear or baby Yoda. That's cool. Tastes like movie popcorn. Some of these aren't as salty as I would expect, but of course, add more salt. Ooh, the ones that are yellow, those are good. Check out how much it made. That's all right, so Great Value microwave popcorn. This stuff is really good. I have no complaints with this. When we watch movies with our kids, this is 100% what we're gonna be busting out. When our kids are in bed and it's just me and my wife, this is what we're gonna get. I wouldn't say it's anything super special. It just tastes like movie popcorn. So if you like movie popcorn, you're gonna like this. Really good. Okay, a bit of a sad story time. I've been eating this. I keep on eating this. Then I went back to the microwave popcorn. Now it kind of tastes like almost fake to me. So I don't know how I feel about that. We're still definitely gonna get Great Value popcorn. It's a great value. Update on this now that I'm eating more. It really is not as salty as movie popcorn. So if you like the really salty, you might not like this much. If you like something a bit lighter, it just tastes like popcorn with butter on it. That's what this is. I'm gonna stop eating now.